How do I find peer-reviewed articles in the library databases? In order to conduct research, you will need to be able to find and access articles that may be called academic, scholarly, or peer-reviewed articles. To access these databases as a USU student, go to the library homepage at library.usu.edu. Under Find, click Articles and Databases. At the top of this page, you will see a search bar where you can search for databases if you know which one you are looking for. Under that is our most popular databases. The top one, Academic Search Ultimate, is a great place to start if you aren't sure which database to use because it contains articles for most academic fields. Under the popular databases, there is a list of databases by subject. We will be using Academic Search Ultimate as our example for this tutorial. In Academic Search Ultimate, we will enter our search terms into the boxes at the top of the page. The results tell you the title of the article, the author, the source type, where it was published, and the subject terms for the article. In order to ensure that you are finding peer-reviewed articles, click on the button that says Limit to Peer-Reviewed. This should update and narrow your search results to only peer-reviewed articles, but we still want to evaluate the articles to determine that the article is academically legitimate. Click on an article that interests you and look for these clues to help you determine if it is reasonable to consider that the article is scholarly. First, check out the author's affiliations. Usually, the affiliation will be a university, sometimes a research institute, or a hospital. You can Google the institution to determine if it is a legitimate research institution. Some may be immediately recognizable, such as Princeton University. Next, you can look at the length. Scholarly articles are typically more than 5 pages, which is different than magazine and newspaper articles, which normally range from a couple paragraphs to 3 pages. Finally, if you click the title of the source this article was published in, this will pull up publication details for the journal, and at the bottom of the page you can see whether the journal is a peer-reviewed publication. If you're still unsure whether the source you're looking at is scholarly or peer-reviewed, you can always ask a librarian.